Do you want to add Vimeo videos on your WordPress site? In this video, we'll explore how you can add Vimeo videos using the Social Embed Block from Nexter Blocks, giving you powerful settings to customize the video player. From autoplay, loop, mute, full screen control, advanced options like picture-in-picture, do not track, even custom start time. You can customize the player settings as per your requirement. Whether you are building a simple page or a professional showcase, I'll walk you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nexter Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nexter Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nexter Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the Social Embed Block. To do that, go to Nexter Blocks, then go to Blocks and search for Social Embed. This is the block. Just enable it. Let's see how you can embed Vimeo videos using the Social Embed Block. From the type drop-down, we have to select Vimeo. Then you have to add the video ID that you want to embed in this Vimeo ID field. You can find the video ID in the video URL itself. Then from the Vimeo options drop-down, you can customize the video settings. You can play the video on loop. You can mute the video on load. You can show the speed controller in the player menu. You can show the video title. You can autoplay the video on load. With the auto pause option, you can add multiple Vimeo videos on the same page. With portrait option, you can show the author profile image. Full screen option will add a full screen button in the player that will allow you to play the video in full screen. With video touch disable option, you can turn off all the video player menus. With plays inline option, you can play the video inline on mobile devices instead of automatically going into the full screen mode. On the byline option, you can show the author byline. Transparent, you can make the video iframe background transparent. With do not track option, you can stop the video from tracking the session. With picture-in-picture option, you can show the picture-in-picture button in the control bar. Then from the video start time option, you can set the video start time on load. In the control color option, you can change the player controller elements color on hover like this. You can adjust the video width and height. From the accessibility tab, you can add an iframe title to improve the accessibility. From the style tab, you can align the content. You can change the background, border, box shadow. So this is how you can embed Vimeo videos using the Social Embed Block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.